Welcome back. So in this our series of Python with Google Cloud, today we'll see how we can create machine image of our instance. So as you are aware that machine image are used to take a backup of a virtual machine along with all disk and disk data. So in Google Cloud currently there is no way to schedule a machine image. So sometimes it is good practice to use a machine image as your disaster and recovery solution, where you can take a machine image of your virtual machine and then you can recover it in another region. So one solution to take a backup of your machine image is to schedule machine image. For that, the first step we have is to create a Python script to create a machine image of our instance. So I'm not going to walk you through the complete solution, but I'll just walk you through the code where we'll create a machine image of our single instance. So let's go to the code. Here I am using the same client library, that is API client discovery, which is used to create or generate compute APIs, and given the name, so this will be my machine image name. So I'll just mention machine image name, and here I'll just mention machine image name. And the source instance, here we have to pass as a source instance complete self link. So I'm passing the complete self link of my instance one. So I want to create a machine image of this instance one, so I'm passing this complete self link, and this is the method machine image dot insert I am going to use, and passing these all input variables into this method. So let me execute this code from terminal. So let me go to terminal first. So there is nothing different I'm doing here in a code. So just one thing to remember, the source instance should be in a self-link format. So let me run a script. Okay, there is a typo. It should be Python. And machine image creation started. So let me go and go to the machine image. The machine image creation is in progress. So you can see it is creating the machine image, and now you could see the machine image is created successfully.